Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tank. Today is October 7th, 2021, and in this video, we're going to be talking about Atom, aka Cosmos. I'll be giving you guys my 2 cents about where we are in the market, as well as where I think we might be going in the short to near future, and what I mean by that over the next 24 to 48 hours. Let's go ahead and jump on into Cosmos' chart. Before I do that, though, if you guys could do me a huge favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. When you do subscribe to this channel, you are entering in our giveaway, where we are giving away a 50-inch flat screen TV to one lucky subscriber once we hit 1,000 subs, and also we're giving away one free MSI 2060 graphics card as well. I crypto mine. I've been crypto mining for some time, and with ETH 2.0 coming around here soon, I am in no need of my 20 to 30 graphic cards that I do have. And instead of reselling them on the market, I figured I'd just put it in on the giveaway and start giving it away to people who probably will appreciate it a lot more than these rebuyers that are on the market. So I just want to kind of give back to everybody. If you guys think that that's awesome, if you guys want to get your hands on possibly a 50-inch flat screen TV or one of these 2060 graphic cards, all you guys need to do is subscribe to the channel. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump on in to Atom's chart. Again, we're on the 4-hour time frame, and just for reference, I am using Market Cipher as my primary oscillator and indicator tool. The first thing I want to point out to you guys is look how well we've stayed above this 200 EMA. The 200 EMA is this white line right here. Yes, we did cut below it real quickly, but with every dump, there's a pump. We left it back in the rearview mirror and kept rallying above the 50 EMA. We came down, cut through it. The 200 EMA held strong. We bumped up again, and now we're kind of just ranging. We came down recently and touched the 200 EMA. It does look like we're pinching with the 200 and the 50 EMA right now, but all in all, we are still stuck in a bullish pattern right now. This is an ascending triangle pattern or ascending wedge, and if you guys don't know anything about ascending wedges, the likelihood of us breaking to the upside is much higher when we're in a wedge pattern like this. So again, expect higher price points in the short to near future. When that will be, I'm not too sure. We could range all the way to the end of this wedge pattern, which would be right around October 21st before we see ourselves break to the upside. I do think we will probably do that more than likely a lot sooner than not, because there's some things happening with Bitcoin. And then quick, I'll just kind of touch on it. If you guys don't know, options expire tomorrow, which is Friday in the afternoon. There's a lot of bears right now that are in a really hairy situation to where if they can't push Bitcoin's price action a bit further down, they're going to have to be covering their option calls that they've made and actually drive Bitcoin's price up by buying Bitcoin to cover their bearish option calls. So I do suspect, unless they can convince Bitcoin holders to sell their positions, that we will see Bitcoin pump. And you guys know what happens when the Bitcoin market pumps, the rest of the market pumps along with it, not necessarily simultaneously, but it does get drug up along with it soon, therefore after. So I do suspect if Bitcoin does have that scenario play out and the bears need to cover their options by buying more Bitcoin, of course, the rest of the whole market will pump along with Bitcoin. But just in general, if we just take that scenario out of it, we are in this very bullish ascending wedge pattern, and the likelihood of us, like I said, breaking to the high side is much higher than us breaking down. We should break to the high side from this type of pattern. Now, if we do actually see ourselves breaking down from this pattern, I do want you guys to kind of take note on a few things, and this is the Fibonacci retracement tool. If we go from our recent high down to our recent low, you can see that recently, I'm using that word quite a bit, recently we came down and tested the golden pocket, which is right here. You can see price action for Atom came down, tested the golden pocket, bounced off of it, came down yet again, and we just bounced not too long ago off that golden pocket, which is right around $34 to $35 on Atom's chart. But I do think that we will come probably up to this next Fibonacci retracement line, which is that 7.8, and we will probably get tested with some sort of resistance, come back down here just a little bit, and then rally after Bitcoin also rallies, breaking through the 7.8 and finally again capturing that $40 price point, hopefully getting back up to $44 shortly therefore after. But that's just my thinking about what's possibly going to be happening, because again, if Bitcoin pumps, it's going to drag the rest of the market up as well. Cosmos is a fantastic product in itself. It offers interoperability, which in my opinion is key when it comes to cryptocurrency adoption. You need to have other blockchains being able to speak with other blockchains, and Atom along with Polkadot are one of the very first projects out there doing that. With that being said, where could we be going in the short to near future? Let me go ahead and show you guys what I have here. And it's real simple. We can just pull out our extension tool, a Fibonacci extension tool, and we can see here that if we go from the low to the high, back down to the low, we could possibly extend here shortly to that 0.5, getting us back up to $40. Just like I said earlier in the video, we could come all the way back up to the $40 range and just hopefully go sideways and maintain that $40 price point for Atom. But that's what I got, guys. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I hope you guys are doing well. Stay profitable. Don't overextend. Remember, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, peace.